So you're looking to swap out the panels on a Corsair 2500 series case. It is super simple. This is all you need to do. First, unscrew the front panels from the inside and the top panels from the rear. Then uninstall the existing I/O from the panel by removing the two outer I/O screws and migrate it to the new top panel. Finally, reinstall the screws in the front panels, slide the top panels on and screw in from the rear. And that's it. The Elite panel kit is attached and your 2500 series is ready to go. These cases are easy to upgrade, so whenever you're ready to change up the look, now you know how.